Hey guys, we're back with a segment that's actually a personal favorite of mine. It's called Science Lab. We're gonna welcome our special guests, Sarah Shin and Joyce Lee. Welcome.
Nice to meet you.
Who are you? What do you do? Where are you from?
We're from Southern California. We're scientists, and I'm actually her assistant for labs.
What branch of science is it?
Biology. We love biology.
We do. We love biology a lot.
Biology's cool. No one hates biology.
It's my
Biology's great.
I love biology.
My absolute favorite. So, what are we gonna do today?
We're going to be extracting DNA from our chick cells.
That's cool. How are we gonna do it?
Okay, I actually forgot all the materials, but I have a spare set because it's like an everyday item. So, Joyce?
Looks pretty heavy.
It is pretty heavy. Okay. So there's some test tubes and test rack, some skewers, some dish soap.
Dawn. I love Dawn.
I think I have an aunt named Dawn.
Oh, you do? That's some alcohol, some bowls, and a syringe. And let me see. Oh, I can't find the other things. Okay, wait. This is from the wrong experiment. I'm sorry.
Wrong experiment.
Yes, wrong experiment. I'm sorry.
That's totally fine.
And lastly, the meat tenderizer. Okay.
Everyday
That's
items.
everything. Yeah, they're all everyday items we carry.
That's cool. It's a lot of everyday items.
Yeah.
You know, it looks. I feel like I'm gonna get a large amount of DNA. Some good results for me.
Really?
I just got this feeling.
Really?
Better than us?
Are you sure? Because we've been working in this profession for a long time, and we think we're going to get better results than you.
I think we need to settle this with a coin toss. You've got a coin in your bag, right?
Why do you think I have a coin in my bag?
Thanks.
So are you flipping the coin?
Yes, I'm gonna flip the coin and we're gonna see.
We call
Oh.
heads.
It's tails. I won. I'm better. I think we have to take a short commercial break, guys.
My life was always like a cloudy day. I was always depressed and down. I watched my children grow up without me as I sat in my bed, exhausted.
AIDS is caused by the human immunodeficiency virus. Within a few weeks of HIV infection, flu-like symptoms such as fever, sore throat, and fatigue can occur. Then the disease is usually asymptomatic until it progresses to AIDS. AIDS symptoms are much more severe, including weight loss, fever or night sweats, fatigue, and recurrent infections. But then I found Trisavir.
And now my life is not cloudy anymore, and it is full of sunshine and hope.
Tell your doctor if you are taking any medications prior to Trisavir. Side effects may include anemia, nausea, stomach pain, diarrhea, constipation, vomiting, dizziness, insomnia, headache, fatigue, muscle aches, and hypersensitivity reaction. Trisavir.
Welcome back, guys.
Okay, before starting the experiment, 24 24 hours before, you need to freeze this isopropyl alcohol for at least 24 hours. I already repeated that. Okay, so we already freezer. I'm sorry. We already freezed it for 24 hours. So now we're going to start the experiment. First, we're going to swish this Gatorade for 2 minutes, and then we're going to spit it out after the 2 minutes. Okay, so we spit it out now. Let me see.
Does that look correct?
Yeah, it looks similar. Okay, that's similar. Everyone has a similar size. Okay, now we spit this into the tube, and we're going to add this dish soap. This is going to be added. Oh, before we add the dish soap, we're gonna put the spitted Gatorade inside these test tubes, just 1/3 of the way.
So we added Gatorade because it breaks the cell membrane, which is how we can get closer to the DNA.
Yes. Okay, so now we put all the Gatorade, 1/3 of the Gatorade inside. Now we're going to be adding dish soap up to halfway. So both solutions are mixed up, and it's only going to fill up halfway.
So why are we adding dish soap?
Because, like, let's say for example, you ate pizza for lunch or dinner, right?
I had pasta.
Well, let's say you had pasta. So basically, when you're cleaning the bowls or the plate that you use, you add dish soap to clean it, and because the fatty layers in the dish soap bind to the fat, well, the things that like fat in the dish soap.
Sorry, there's bubbles from the dish soap.
Clings to the fat in the leftover food. They can get rid of the fat part and then leave the DNA.
Wait, so like the water, what does the water do? Like when you wash it?
Oh, the dish soap binds to the water in the food when you wash it, so it comes off.
Okay.
So how does that affect this one? What does it do in this?
So it separates the DNA.
So we're in the
From the
process of separating the DNA from the other things. Okay, so now these caps here, you're going to put it on, and you're going to put it upside down, in an upside down motion, but gently. So now we're going to put the meat tenderizer in here, and this is 1/4 of a teaspoon.
What's it do?
So it like lyses the enzymes.
What's
Basically, it breaks apart and breaks
Oh.
open the enzymes.
That's cool.
Here, it's time to put the alcohol inside the test tube. I'm getting 0.3 milliliters of alcohol. Okay, 0.3. And from your test tube, you're going to slightly tilt it and let the alcohol slide down the wall.
So it lets the DNA show in the actual thing because we can't see it without the alcohol.
It precipitates, and there's going to be 2 separate layers, and you'll be able to see the DNA itself.
Did you know that the alcohol doesn't freeze in the freezer because the alcohol content is greater than the water content? And because the alcohol freezing temperature is lower than the water freezing temperature, it stays a liquid.
Oh, that's exciting.
Here. So we added the alcohol. And first, if you don't see a layer forming, I think we can put in more of the alcohol. Let's see.
So how long do we wait?
If the layers start forming, we can. We're waiting about a minute from now. 1 minute passed, and during the 1 minute, I actually added more alcohol because it wasn't enough to see the layers. Now we can take our test tube. Here, we can take this. And that.
It's cold.
Yeah, it is cool. The alcohol is on the top, and using these skewers, we're going to get our DNA. and just put it back in the test rack. Oh, do you need help? Oh, you have a big clump.
Yep. I think I
Whoa.
was right. I won.
Oh,
Wow.
so now we're done with the whole lab, and we extracted the DNA from our cheek cells successfully. And as the final result, we compared it. Christine had the best and the most DNA extracted. So congratulations, Christine.
Thank you. You know, this is really fascinating. It's so cool to see that that's my own genetic makeup.
Isn't that?
You know, have they been able to sequence anyone's genome yet?
Yes. As a matter of fact, they have been.
That's amazing. I hope they can do mine.
Okay. I hope we can
well,
come next time.
This is pretty. Yeah, I mean, I love biology. I love the way you showed me biology. Biology's great.
Biology's
love
fantastic.
biology.
We love biology.
Biology's amazing. No one hates it. Well, anyway, thank you so much, guys. I mean, I know I'm sorry for kind of hurting your feelings by winning, but I really appreciate you coming to show me this amazing
Experiment.
material, experiment, everything. Just everything about it was fun, great. I love biology. Yeah, thank you so much, guys.
Thank you for having us.